Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you all? Good morning. Rise and shine. Hopefully you are doing well. Okay, now we are in the last week we were learning about how to present your idea. There are several ways to present your idea. The first way we have done in the first chapter, that is known as what? Filmora 9. Yes, Filmora 9. With the help of Filmora 9, you have added different images, videos. You have inserted animation, transition, and different effects, and then you converted that all multimedia into a video file. Got it? We have done that. That was the one way of presenting your idea. The another way is now Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. So here you have done lot of things. You know about PowerPoint presentation that you have learned in your previous class 4. So I'm going to quickly revise basics and then we will move forward. Okay, let's take a start. First of all, you need to, it's on your computer systems. Okay, you need to take guidance from sarcasm as well, because I have inserted all the folders and text and everything available, including images on your desktops. Okay, if you don't have, then you need to ask from sarcasm. Okay, now first of all you need to select go to your desktop, find, and on the desktop you will find this folder presenting your idea for class 5 TC. Okay, you will find this folder, and when you will open this folder with another name or the same name, presenting your idea. Okay, now when you will open this, double click on it, you will find a exercise file here. This is your handout, this is your soft copy. When you double click on it, open it, and these are your instructions written here. This is basically your algorithm, we can say, steps to solve a problem. Sequence of steps is written over here. You need to follow these instructions clearly and then save your presentation. We have done the part 1 in the previous class, and now we'll move for the part 2. But quick recap, those who were absent previous class, pay attention over here. Okay, so I'm going to start from here. So this PowerPoint presentation, another way of presenting your ideas. So open the file Wonders of the World from my document. So here's the Wonder of the World, my document. For where's my document? When you open a folder presenting your idea, this one, and it will appear over here. Sorry, this one. You need to double click on it, and after that you will get this interface. It will appear in front of you. Till here any confusion? No. First step done successfully. Congratulations, bachon. Okay, the second step is save your presentation as exercise followed by your name. It is the most important part of this instruction, this activity, this exercise, because if you don't save your password, then your all data will be removed from your RAM, and then you need to do all these steps again and again. So this is your one-time investment. Please save your work at the start, and after that keep saving, pressing after doing each statement, press Ctrl S. Okay, now look here, I'm going to save my work. Top left corner, click on file here, and then go save as is used to give a proper location where you want to save this work. I have saved my work. You have saved your work in the student drive in the school, but here I have my desktop. I'm going to save this work on my desktop. Here I will click EX, stand for exercise. I'm going to write my name, and now class 5, and okay, class 5, let's say T and C, Wonders of the World. Now I have to select a destination, click on desktop. You are not supposed to click on desktop. You need to go where? You need to go on my computer. When you click on my computer, this PC, then you have to save this work in the student drive. Got it? I don't have, I'm using my laptop. So I'm going to select desktop, and at the desktop I'm going to click here. This is an important point. Click on desktop, and there's a lot of folder here. So where I need to save my work, so just select any folder, single click, and after that do what? Press P, because your chapter name is presenting your idea. Press P from your keyboard, and you will get that presenting your idea over here. Double click on it, and now here I'm going to save this file in the ppt. Stand for PowerPoint presentation. Okay, now click here. 2 steps done successfully, and in the title you will see that the same name will appear over here, just like that. Congratulations. Now move towards the next instruction, and next instruction is very important. Apply your desired theme to all slides of the presentation. So let me zoom Microsoft Edge. Here is Microsoft Edge, and here's a plus point to zoom in. So now look here, scroll down. Okay, now we are here on this instruction number 3. Apply your desired theme to all slides of the presentations. Okay, what is theme? It's what predefined colors that you can apply on your design. Right now it's what? It's white. So click on design tab. Here there are several tabs where you click on design tab, and now from here you can select you will find a group theme here. So now you can select your desired theme. Let me try something. Click on drop down, and now let's say I'm going to use this one. Okay, this one. Apply across all slides like that. Okay, now I have to click here. Can you see here? Now I need to make some adjustment here. When you click here, there is a text box, and when you bring your mouse pointer on this line of this text box, you can see these bubbles, these circles around this text box. Click here, click, hold left mouse button, click, hold, and then drag. Just place it over here. You can adjust this image as well, and yeah, you can resize like that. Bring your mouse pointer bottom right corner of this image, and now click, hold, and then drag inside. Okay, I'm going to place it in the center for right now, and please quickly save your work. File, save. Well done. Do Control S from your keyboard. Next step is step number 4. Open the internet browser and download at least 2 images of wonders of the world. These all are the names of the wonders of the world: the Colosseum, Italy; Taj Mahal, Petra, Jordan; Great Wall of China; Chichen Itza, Mexico; Christ the Redeemer, Machu Picchu, okay, Peru. Okay, these all are the wonders of the world. You no need to work as a researcher. You can do later on, but it maybe internet is not working at that time during class. I have already downloaded these images. You will find this in a folder just like that. Here in your presenting your idea file, you will find this folder images. When you will open it, you will get all these images on your desktop in the same folder, presenting your idea with these names. Okay, I have done this job for you. Okay, later on I will guide you how to work as a researcher. Even you know that. I know you know that. Okay, now let's skip this point. Now jump towards the insert each wonder image on the relevant slide. Some student will ask, what is meant by relevant slide? Relevant slide mean that, for example, there is a Taj Mahal. Title of the presentation or slide is Taj Mahal. So I'm not supposed to put the images of Petra, Jordan over here. Okay? So in Taj Mahal, which is in India, I need to place 2 images of Taj Mahal only in this slide. So let me show you that. For example, when I will click move forward, this is wonders of the world details over here. You can read it. Okay, and this subject is linked with your social study, history, geography. Okay, you can integrate like that. Now here I need to insert the Great Wall of China. Title is Great Wall of China. So how to insert image? So click on insert tab, top left corner, click on insert tab. Now click on pictures. In the images group, click on picture. Now here you will find difficulty to find a folder. So where is the folder? I have placed my folder on the desktop. The same way your folders is on the desktop. Click here, and now here press P here. P, presenting your idea, and you will find images folder here. Now here I'm looking for Great Wall of China. Where is Great Wall of China? Here, 1 image and 2 image. So press Control key button from your keyboard. Hold for multiple selection. Select this one. Gentle click, and now click here. You will see that both images will appear over here. Now release the control button and just click on insert. That's it. That's how you can insert images like that. This one over here. Okay, let me place it over here just like that, and this one over here next to it. Fine. Resize it by bringing your mouse pointer over here. Done. Okay, now I want, when you select image, a tab will appear. That's not its format tab. Look here. Now I'm going to this here outside the text box or the image, you will not get a format tab over here. When you click text box or image, the format tab will appear over here just like that. Okay, now in this case I'm going to click on my image, and now format format, and now picture styles. Click on here bottom right corner, click on more, change the overall look of your picture, click here. So I'm going to use this one, and here you can apply your desired style, whatever you like beta. I don't mind, it's up to you. So that's how you can apply design picture style to the image. Now change the color as well. So click on picture borders, and picture border. Okay, fine, this one there's no border here, so no. Okay, fine. Click on file, save your work everyone, save your work, done. Okay, now the same way you need to insert all these images on over here. For example, now Petra Jordan, the same way. The another way is I will go in the folder, and now I will drag and drop Petra Jordan 1, Petra Jordan 2. Click, drag and drop here. Petra Jordan appear. It's easy, quickest. Again go to the folder, drag and drop Petra Jordan, drag, click, hold, drag and drop here on your slide, just like that. Okay, now apply style here. I'm going to apply this style. Now change the border color, this one, like that, and do what? Quickly save your work everyone, save your work, top left corner, save your work. The same way you need to apply all these images on these slides. So quickly I'm going to move towards the next instance. Let's suppose I have inserted all. Now apply the desired slide layout on all the slide of the presentation. Slide layout. So where is the slide layout? Next instruction, slide layout. Okay, in the home tab, where is slide layout? Can you see slide group? In home tab, slide group, and here is the layout. This is slide layout. You can select, for example, comparison. You can select this one. Okay, for example, this is what title and caption. Title and caption is just like that, but you need to make an adjustment accordingly. If you don't want to use this layout, then leave it, otherwise it will change your whole formatting just like that. Click code, and then you need to reset each and everything. Okay, click hold on this line and then bring it over here. Now I'm going to delete. No, keep it. Let's keep this. File, save. Okay, now next instruction is apply the desired layout, done. Instruction number 7, insert your name